The city's quiet, the air is still. Streetlights glow beyond the windowsill. No rushing waters, no rising fear, just a peaceful night. I'm grateful you're here. We've seen the storms, we walked through rain, survived the nights of heavy pain. But now the sky is calm and bright, a rare and gentle golden night. No floods tonight, just calm and light. A quiet world where everything's alright. Hold this moment, keep it tight. For once there's peace. No floods tonight. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The whispers fade, the chaos gone. The streets look clean like a brand new dawn. I breathe a little deeper now. No thunder roaring, no broken vow. We learn to swim through every trial, against the tide, mile after mile. But now the waves have said goodbye, and stars return across the sky. No floods tonight, just calm and light. A quiet world where everything's alright. Hold this moment, keep it tight. For once, let's peace. No floods tonight. Let tomorrow bring what it will bring. We'll face it strong, whatever storm or sting. But for now, let's rest, let's breathe, let's smile. A night like this won't come for a while. No floods tonight, just calm and light. A healing silence in the pale moonlight. Stay with me till morning bright, and let